They'll never understand what I took to get here. I love that I don't care anymore. Not in a hurtful way, but in the peaceful way. Achieve massive success. Remain deeply humble. Learn to heal without venting to everyone. Now, strangers, but with some beautiful memories. Be so fucking committed to your growth that you're willing to say no without guilt and yes without fear. If IT's not gonna matter in 5 years, don't spend more than 5 minutes being upset about it. I'm standing in the ashes of who I used to be. Emptiness feels so comfortable nowadays. It's not about the circle. It's about the loyalty in it. It's amazing. You came this far. All alone. Nobody was there. Actually, nobody was needed.